This is crazy. I can't believe I actually cut that shit.
Dale, let's go.
My mom's like kicking my ass. This guy, bro.
Damn, that's crazy. So today I challenged strangers to a game of haircut roulette. I had 12 slots in a wheel, half of it contained the worst things you can possibly do with your hair, and the rest got some crazy prizes. Stay tuned to find out how things got serious real quick. Also, make sure you're subscribed and enjoy the video. Alright guys, it's your boy MartyBlendz and we have the wheel right in front of us. I'm gonna explain each and every slot really quick. So we have the Apple Watch itself. We have shaved head and eyebrows, which is crazy. We have Beats right here. Shaved eyebrow. Someone's gonna have to shave their eyebrow if they land on this. The free haircut right here does get this golden ticket right here for the free cut. Reverse mohawk, TV, go bald, AirPods, bad design, speaker, bowl cut. So the way this is gonna work is I'm gonna go live on my Instagram and tell people from my city to pull up. Now, just for your information, everybody is gonna get something. No one's gonna, if they either get a bowl cut or go bald, shaved eyebrows, everyone will win at the end of the day. I'm giving out merch. I have every product on here. I also have about a rack right here, so everybody will win. I am gonna make sure I give each of the bad haircuts or whatever $100. So yeah, stay tuned and I will catch you guys in all the action.
Dale, en cortos. What do I do?
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Okay, you gotta spin the wheel. I got you.
Yeah.
Thanks,
brother.
Thank you.
I'm thinking about it. I want to see how the first one goes.
All right. So we have our first one on the list. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Ready?
Oh,
Yeah, it's a little flimsy.
oh, I'm so sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
Dale, let's go. Eyebrows, man. Quiere agarrar.
No way. No.
What is that?
Bowl cut.
After shave, it's a mushroom, basically a mushroom.
Like right now?
Yes, like right now.
Let's go.
$100. Thank you so much.
The top is gonna stay the same or?
Oh yeah,
it's gonna
yeah,
be like
yeah.
oh, okay. Bro, ya me no tocaba el speaker.
Oh, the Apple Watch, man. También. Yeah.
Oh, también.
You were that. Guys, I'm just gonna outline the hat. I feel super bad, dude.
$100 en cortos.
Hey, easy 100. Easiest 100 you've ever gotten though. ¿Verdad?
Con eso saco para el fade.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Go. Puro MartyBlendz.
Hell yeah, dude. Hey, pero así te tengo que dejar.
Sí, está bien, está bien.
¿Cómo lo vas a hacer?
I'm gonna go back to work. ¿Estás animado o qué, gordo? Como quieran que te toque una mal, te va a dar $100.
Sí, por eso. Y ya casi lo trae pelón.
¡Ya lo trae el pelo! ¡Ya lo trae!
Dude, hey, that really quick, that's a cute fan, bro.
This looks good. Nah, entonces te quiero la feria, bro, dale.
Okay, you're good.
I don't even want to see.
Reverse.
Mohawk.
Así, y no vas a dejar esto. You can leave this, right? Ya no tengo pelo en las orillas como quiera, güey.
So he was already going kind of for like a mullet type, like
Mullet type of look.
yeah. All right, so
Perdí,
we're
man.
kind of gonna ruin that today. So in 5, 4, you ready?
Pero watch out. Mira.
Yeah, you got. Hey, you got 100.
100, man. 100. Me están rapando, güey.
No, a mí también me raparon. Óchate. Me hicieron de honguito.
Hey,
¿Qué?
go
Pues nos
back.
ganamos $100.
Sí, cada uno. You down, Danny, or what? Your?
¿Qué onda? Ahí está, bien puesto.
All right, so now we got our third participant, and he's about to go. You ready? I'm gonna wait for y'all's reaction. I'm gonna wait for y'all's reaction. What do you get? What do you get? What do you get? Yo! So my boy got AirPods. Hey. Hey. For free, dude. Thank you so much.
Gracias.
You up to the challenge?
It's a big ass wrist, dog. Fuck it, I'll do it.
All right, so now it's time for number 4. Yeah, yo, hit it. Hit that. So no one loses. Everybody gets either 100 or products out here. Yo, I'm gonna let y'all.
It's all good.
How you feeling, bro? You're gonna get $100 anyway, so.
Yeah. Wait, is it both?
It's yeah.
We're about to shave an eyebrow in a couple seconds. I'm not excited. Are you?
Not at all. My mom's like kicking my ass.
Just one. I mean,
I'll do it, dog.
I mean, you already did it. It's on camera too.
Yeah, I guess.
You ready?
Yeah, I guess.
Left or right?
Oh, it's a hard decision. What about this one? I think it's gotta be the left one.
Left?
I think it's gotta be the left one.
Oh damn. Thank you, bro. Here you go.
It don't look that bad.
All yours. All yours.
I say you get the other one done, bro.
It's alright, man.
Nah, fuck that. I can't do both. I don't think I can do both. Fuck that.
Guys, he shaved off his eyebrow. That's crazy. Honestly, that's crazy. Ready? One. Alright, okay. No! Dude, Apple Watch. That's probably the most expensive prize we have, so there you go. You want to open it up for the camera?
See?
Alright, hey, thank you. Thank you for participating.
Thanks,
Dude,
Bob.
you got something out of it. Alright, next up is...
Man, alright. My birthday's on Friday, man.
Birthday
I don't know if I'm trying to go to my birthday ball, but you know.
Alright, so number 6 is up. Let's see what he gets.
Let's go.
His birthday's soon, so I hope he doesn't go bald for it.
Alright, let's see what's up. Ready? Yeah. See what's up. Let's go. Come on. I can use some beats. Oh no.
No way.
Dude, sorry.
This guy, bro.
Hey, you got a shirt, right?
Yeah, I got a shirt.
Hey, I'm gonna give him 200 for this one. That's not cool, dude. That's all yours, bro. His birthday's coming up.
Let's do the head first. Let's do the head first. Yeah, let's go.
Dude, this is crazy. I can't believe, like, dude, keep those 200, bro. Don't give him that. You've always wanted to go bald or what?
Hell no.
At least you have a beard. Guys, we're not gonna do the eyebrow. Like, that's.
Let's go.
It's his birthday. Like, I got you. I got you. I got you.
I'll still go bald, man.
And he was willing to shave off his eyebrows, so I gave him the 200. That was good. Okay, so earlier on throughout the video, before the video started actually, he said he wanted to go bald, and I'm like, why not in the video before it actually starts? He's musty too, so
let's get out of the way.
right
Let's
ahead.
get out of the way. All right, here we go. And I'm gonna start it right down the middle.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's do it. Where you want it? All right, let's go.
Middle.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, we regret it already. I fucking hate you, Martin. Be better, man.
This looks good, bro. It looks good. Let's be
Fucking
bald
man.
together, man.
All right, yeah, we're good. He's gonna stay like that for the rest of the video. Okay. Damn, that's crazy. Hey, that actually looked funny. There you go. Perfect. All right.
Look better.
All right, so we have one of my boys right here. What's your name?
Chris.
Okay, he's about to spin the wheel, and I believe there's only 2. There is going bald and a bad design, so it's really, you have more of a chance to get a good one, so go. Empty space will go there. That's not that bad. Why is it just getting bad one? Dude, I wanted to do this one. Okay, so, hey, first of all, thank you so much. Just don't run off that way. 100. That's all yours. Thank you for participating. Did you know you're gonna get 100? Okay, give me 3 options, then we all pick one. We all just, yeah? Eggplant?
The little poop emoji.
Okay, little poop emoji. All right, so what do y'all want? Eggplant, poop emoji, or tic-tac-toe?
Eggplant.
Eggplant? I'm gonna try. Guys, he has a nice ass taper. I'm attempting to draw it. A nice eggplant! No? It's perfect.
Yeah.
Nice little eggplant. Come through. No? I think it's thicker from the sides.
What is that?
Hey, off camera, like Turo, you could get a low fit with that or a mid fit. So, here you go. I did think of you. Nah, hell no. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you so much. Thank you. All right, so we have my boy Edgar. He is one of my clients. No. I know he's gonna do it. He's on for his shit.
How you feeling, Edgar?
This is crazy. I can't believe I actually cut this shit.
So I've already done enough balding today. I'm gonna hand it to my boy Orlin.
You ready, pa? Alright. Where do you want me to start? Wherever you feel.
Hey, don't go that hard though.
I'm agüitado. Estamos igual, güey. I'm bald too.
I know, fuck it.
Nah, but I'm gonna be wearing caps.
No.
Look like a Nazi, güey.
Yeah, I think it's
And they're recording him up here. Thank you, dude. Thank you so much. But he got 100 off of it.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a. He's sad, bro. I know he's sad. Your heart hurts?
Yeah,
Have you ever been bald? No?
like maybe when I was little, like very like a kid.
I know he's gonna get home and be like, okay, I could deal with this for like 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah, 2 weeks.
Yeah, and then he'll be like this. He'll be like this.
Yeah.
2 weeks later, he'll be like this. We have all good slots right here. There's about 4, and I'm gonna go by the time they got here. So she got here first. Okay, so if you guys remember her, she is the one from the $1 haircut that I give a little design on in the back. So with whatever you get to shave the rest of his beard. Nah. Can he? If it lands on a empty one. Oh, you speaker! You speaker! Hell yeah. She got a speaker. Heck yeah. Here you go. That's all yours. You can jam out to anything. Yeah, you could just shave off all the. Or look, come this way, and then just. Oh, like with the teeth, with the little teeth. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, that's crazy. Not the beard, okay?
Yeah?
Not the beard. She actually, I think she dropped the guard. Shut up. Did she? No. You could give the free haircut to your boyfriend if you or something.
TV.
Oh, you got TV! Hell yeah! Dude, 350-inch TV. Let me see. Let me pull that up. So y'all can see, she just won the 50-inch TV.
Yes,
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
3, y'all paper, rock, scissors. Ready?
Right.
1, 2, 3.
Paper, rock, scissors.
Best 2 out of 3.
Five.
Oh, dude. Hey. All right, so my cameraman wasn't recording, but he did get the beats. Here you go, bro. Thank you for coming through. Guys, that does sum up the end of the video. If you did enjoy this, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, click that little red button down below. On top of that, click that little bell button so you can stay alerted when I drop videos. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace out.